In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add social media icons to your Wix website, a great way to enhance your online presence by connecting your site visitors with your various social media platforms. Let's dive right in. First, we begin by opening the Wix website editor. This is the heart of your website management, where you'll handle all customizations and updates. Once you're there, navigate to the Add Elements section. This is where all the magic starts, as it allows you to incorporate new features seamlessly into your website. Moving on, we're going to focus on the social category. So you'll want to click on that. Think of this step as opening a gateway to the numerous social integrations you can embed directly into your site's interface. From here, you can choose various social media icons that best suit your needs. Now, let's talk about designs. The choice of design is crucial because it reflects your site's aesthetics and can influence user interaction. You'll want to select a design that matches your website's overall style. This not only maintains the visual coherence of your site, but also ensures that your icons are engaging and noticeable to your visitors. Once you've picked the perfect design, it's time to place these icons on your site. You have the freedom to position them wherever you see fit. This flexibility allows you to optimize their placement based on how visitors navigate your site, making them more likely to click and engage with your social media profiles. After placing the icons, you'll need to click to set them. This ensures that they are properly anchored and integrated into your site's layout. At this stage, your icons are more than just placeholders. They are dynamic links leading to your social media accounts. An essential step follows, setting the links. While the icons are initially blank, you can personalize these by inputting direct links to your respective social media pages. This could include your Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or any other platforms you actively use. It's a straightforward yet crucial step as it transforms these icons into functional gateways to your social media. Finally, conclude the process by clicking on Done. This action saves all your work, bringing your settings to fruition on your live website. Remember, each time you make changes or updates to your website, including adding social media icons, reviewing the final layout is always a good idea. Take a moment to navigate your site and test the icons to ensure they direct visitors to the correct social media pages. By following these steps, you've now successfully added social media icons to your Wix website, making it easier for your visitors to connect with you across various platforms. This simple yet effective addition not only enhances connectivity, but also broadens the reach and accessibility of your online presence. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.